Welcome to the installation video of the CURT 56284 custom vehicle to trailer wiring harness installed on a 2020 Honda HRV all-wheel drive Sport. Please check out the video's description for links to the official installation instructions and for more information to determine if this part fits your vehicle. Let's begin by opening the rear tailgate. To ensure your safety and the safety of your vehicle's electrical system, we recommend disconnecting the negative battery cable. Continue by removing all of the cargo mats and coverings. Some hardware might need to be uninstalled to fully remove the cargo covers. Remove the rear scuff panel by carefully separating the alignment tabs and pulling straight up. Starting on the driver's side, pull back on the trim panel to locate the vehicle's taillight wiring harness. The connectors will look similar to the CURT custom wiring harness connectors. Separate the connectors, being careful not to damage the locking tabs. Insert the CURT wiring harness connectors between the separated vehicle connectors and make sure the locking tabs click into place. Locate a suitable mounting location for the white ground wire near the connectors. We recommend an existing screw and nut, or drilling a 3/32" pilot hole into a metal panel and attaching the ground wire to bare metal with the included self-tapping screw. Make sure to double check what you're drilling into before you drill to prevent damage to your vehicle. Use a sanding disc or sandpaper to clean the pilot hole to expose bare metal. Fasten the ground wire's ring terminal to the pilot hole with the included self-tapping screw. Route the CURT wiring harness connectors with the green wires to the passenger side along the scuff panel. Locate the vehicle's taillight wiring harness and repeat the installation process of the wiring harness connectors, making sure the locking tabs fully click into place. On the driver's side, locate a suitable mounting location for the black converter box. Clean the area and use the included double-sided tape to adhere the converter box. Now locate a rubber grommet installed in the trunk area. Remove this grommet to access the undercarriage of the vehicle. We recommend using a drill or knife to create a hole for the black power wire to be routed through the grommet. Route the power wire through the grommet and then strip both ends of the black power wire. Then route the power wire down the trunk access hole where the grommet was seated. Once routed, replace the grommet, leaving enough power wire exposed so it can be wired to the converter box. Locate the black power wire attached to the black converter box. Strip and crimp that wire to the power wire using the same butt connector. Be sure a strong connection has been made. From underneath the vehicle, route the black power wire to the front of the vehicle. Be sure to route away from moving parts and excessive heat sources. Use the included cable ties to adhere the power wire to your chosen path. Continue to route the power wire up into the engine bay and to the battery. Prepare the black power wire to be connected to the battery by stripping and crimping an included butt connector to the power wire. Then prepare the red inline fuse holder to be crimped to the butt connector crimped onto the power wire. Crimp these two wires together and make sure a good connection has been made. Finally, strip and crimp the included ring terminal to the remaining end of the red inline fuse holder. Making sure a good connection has been made. Locate an accessory post on the positive side of the battery. Reconnect the battery cable. Remove the accessory post's nut and install the red inline fuse's ring terminal onto the post. Fasten the accessory post's nut. Now install the included 10 amp fuse into the red inline fuse holder, making sure it's fully seated and the cap is in place. Now from the back of the vehicle, route the 4 flat connector harness to the trunk area and begin replacing the side panel trim. Fasten the green wire in place with the included cable ties. Replace all trim panels, the scuff panel, and cargo coverings. Use a CURT electrical tester or a properly wired trailer to test your new wiring harness. Install the included 4-flat connector rubber cap. The 4-flat wiring harness should be accessible from your cargo area. When in use, it can be routed to the hitch. The tailgate will close with the harness routed in place. Be sure to keep the harness away from the tailgate latch to prevent damage. When not in use, the harness can be bundled and stored in the cargo area. Congratulations, you have now successfully installed the 56284 custom vehicle to trailer wiring harness. Thank you for watching this video. Now you have the power to bring it.